Your iPhone 12 no longer charges properly, it discharges way too fast, then it's time to replace your battery. In this repair video, we'll show you how. Replacing the battery on the iPhone 12 is moderately difficult. Thanks to adhesive strips, it can easily be removed from the bottom of the rear case. Allow about 60 minutes for the repair. We recommend the following tools. These and a replacement battery of the highest possible quality level for your iPhone 12 can be found in our online store at iDoc.eu. We've put the links in the info box. Turn off your iPhone 12 to avoid potential short circuits during the repair. To do so, press and hold the standby and silent buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. The iPhone 12 is opened via the screen. To remove it, you first have to unscrew the two pentalobe screws on the left and right of the lightning connector. Then, use a heat gun or an ordinary hairdryer to heat up the edge of the glued screen. This makes it easier to separate the screen from the rest of the case. You should only heat it up to the point where you can still touch it without burning your fingers. As soon as the edge of the back cover has warmed up sufficiently, we apply the iSclack, which consists of two suction cups and a handle. The suction cups are placed on the screen and back cover. Then the handle is slightly squeezed, which allows creating a gap between the screen and back cover without much effort. Enlarge the gap with a hard plastic pick and drive it once around the screen to completely detach it from the rest of the case. Once the screen is completely detached, you can carefully open it towards the volume buttons. The screen cables still have to be disconnected. To avoid overstretching them, you should lean the screen against a stable object. The connectors of the screen cables are located under cover plates. To separate them from the board, you have to unscrew the plates with a Y-type screwdriver. The larger one of the two cover plates is additionally hooked in. To prevent a potential short circuit, you should always separate the exposed battery connectors in the first place, before the screen connectors. To do so, carefully drive a spatula underneath the connector and lever it off the logic board. Do the same to separate the three screen connectors. You can then put the screen aside. To make the removal of the battery easier, we recommend removing the speaker, SIM module and taptic engine before. Unscrew the 4 Phillips screws of the speaker, then take it out of the device. Before you can remove the SIM module, you have to pull out the SIM tray by pushing into the small hole next to the tray with the SIM tool. Then unscrew the two cover plates and put them aside. Use a spatula to separate the connector of the SIM module from the logic board. Before you can take out the module, you have to loosen 2 more screws that fix the module in the case. To remove the taptic engine, first carefully pry off its connector. Then unscrew the 3 screws that hold it in place and carefully remove it from your device. Now you can start detaching the battery. The iPhone 12 has a total of 4 adhesive battery strips. Their tabs can be carefully detached from the top side of the battery with a pair of tweezers. Since they are attached very flatly to the battery, you should look carefully to prevent confusing them with other protective films of the battery. Once the beginning is made, the adhesive strips can be easily pulled out from under the battery with your fingers or tweezers. To prevent the strips from tearing, you should pull them out as flat as possible. If one of the adhesive strips tears, you have to carefully pry off the battery of its guide with a tool like the battery spatula and pull the remaining strips off the bottom of the case. Since we reinstalled the old battery for our video tutorial, we apply new adhesive strips to the back of the battery. When you install a replacement battery, the adhesive strips are already integrated on the back and you only have to peel off the protective film. Place the prepared battery back into its guide and press it firmly into place. Once the battery is in place, you can put the taptic engine back in. Screw it tight and reattach its connector by gently pressing it. Never use force when attaching connectors, because damage can lead to the failure of an entire component. Now put the SIM module back in place. Screw it tight and attach its connector. Then put the two cover plates back on and fix them with two Y-type screws each. Insert the SIM tray again. Finally, position the speaker back in its guide and screw it tight. Once everything is installed, we recommend that you first connect the display provisionally to test the replacement battery after the repair. For this, press the display connectors back into the board, the battery connector last. Then carefully flip the display over and press it firmly into the case. Connect a charging cable to see if the battery charges. After that, you can check other basic functions such as the display, Face ID, speaker and taptic engine to make sure your repair was successful. If something does not work properly, check again if all components are connected and screwed correctly. If everything is working properly, you can open the screen again and insert the cover plates. The screw holes will help you with the alignment. Remember to hook the larger of the two cover plates on one side. Tighten the plates with the Y-type screws. To reseal your iPhone 12, press the screen back into the case unit so that it sits evenly all over. At the end of the repair, screw the screen tight with the Pentalobe screws. Now your iPhone 12 has full battery power again. If this tutorial helped you, then give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can find high-quality tools, spare parts, and accessories for your smartphone repair in our iDoc store. iDoc, everything for your smartphone. Find more helpful videos here. See you next time!